Hey, are you looking to purchase a new construction home in Northern Virginia? If so, look no further. In this video, we'll be discussing tips and tricks that will come in handy when purchasing a new construction home in Northern Virginia. My name is Claudia Nelson. I am a local real estate agent and I've helped countless buyers purchase their new home. Also, my ex-husband actually worked for a builder, so I've seen it both from the builder side and of course from the buyer side. Be sure to stay until the end of the video for an extra bonus insider tip. Subscribe to my channel for more great real estate and local information. Let's get into it. There is nothing better than purchasing a new home. Comes with that new home smell. But before you actually go into talking with the builder, make sure you are represented by a real estate agent. The sales consultant, the builder sales consultant, they work for the builder and not for you. And you want to make sure you have your own representation and they can guide you through the entire process. Never rely on prices that you see advertised either on the sign or in Zillow, anywhere. Most of the time with new construction, they advertise a base price and then you will go from there. There are certain forced upgrades that you have to do depending on the lot. So for example, a lot is calling for a walkout basement that normally has an additional cost versus certain upgrades that you want to do. You might want white cabinets instead of the basic cabinets, kitchen cabinets that are included in the base price. Always make sure you run exact numbers to get your price and what you will be paying in the end. And something as well, when you are running numbers with the builder, make sure you add everything in. Even if you're a little bit on the fence, you might want this, but you could go without it. Add it in, then take a little bit of time, go through it and cross out what you don't want. This way you have the numbers there and you can eliminate what you do not want. Builders incentive and discounts. Most builders will be offering certain discounts. That might be assistance with closing costs, that also might be finishing a rec room, or they give you $20,000 towards additional upgrades options. So always inquire about the builder's incentives. Now I do want to note right here, most builders incentives are tied towards you using the builder's title company as well as the builder's lender. Talking about builder's lender, you are working with the builder, you're purchasing a home, there are certain incentives tied towards using the builder's lender. You still want to make sure you compare, talk to your real estate agent. We can always tell you what you need to do and how you can get the best deal when it comes to rates and closing costs. Spec home versus to be built homes. There are different options. A spec home is a home that's already been finished. The builder has chosen all the options. Sometimes you get better deals with spec homes if they're not selling as quickly, if they've been on the market for a little bit. But most of the times buyers want a to be built home where you are choosing everything. You're choosing the floor plan, you're choosing any extensions, bump outs, you are choosing what kind of cabinets you want in the kitchen, bathroom. You should be able to choose everything. Now the difference between a spec home and a to be built is the time frame. When you're building a home from scratch, it normally takes anywhere from 6 to 9 months, sometimes even a little bit longer, but we always have to check with the builder. Home inspection. Should you have a home inspection when you are purchasing a brand new home? Now, new homes always come with warranty, but that should not stop you from having a home inspection. Home inspections can give you a peace of mind, it never hurts having an independent home inspector check everything. Sometimes a home inspector can find a lot of things, and other times there's really nothing that's being found, which is a good thing. But again, check with your real estate agent if a builder is known to having a lot of defects, or if it's okay to skip a home inspection. Most of the time you should get one. When working with a new home builder, you generally have to be using the builder's contract. Builder's contracts are always written in the builder's favor, and there's not much that can be done, but there's certain things a real estate agent can help you with. In particular, if you are looking at selling your home in order to purchase another home, builders will generally not allow a home sale contingency, but there's still a few ways to making sure you are protected. Let's talk about a few Northern Virginia new home communities that I think you should check out. One of them is Potomac Shores. Potomac Shores is a great golf course community that I believe started in 2014, built around golf course, and offers everything from single family home to townhouses, condominiums. There's also going to be a VRE station that's being built there. They've built new schools. It really has everything. Check out Potomac Shores. Another one is Embry Mill. Embry Mill has also been built for a long time. I believe it started 2013, 2014, give or take. They have single family homes. They have townhouses. They also now have 55 and older homes, school community. They actually made it into an entire development with grocery store, schools, and new roads. That is in Stafford. North Hill in Alexandria, off of Route 1. They offer townhouses, 3-level townhouses, 4-level townhouses, townhouses with garage, townhouses that offer rooftop terrace. Really nice community, conveniently located close to everything right there in Alexandria. Bonus tip that I know because my ex-husband worked for a builder. If you're catching a builder when they're coming to their quarter end or year end and they have not reached their sales goal, they might be a little bit more flexible when it comes to negotiating price. If they have met their sales goal and they exceeded their sales goal, at that point, sorry, you're out of luck. There's not going to be much negotiation. But if they still have to meet a certain sales goal, then you might be in luck and you might be able to negotiate a better deal. Any questions about purchasing new homes, or you might be ready to purchase your own new home in Northern Virginia, reach out to me. I am here to help.